Lisa, Forever Clean Soap Works. I wanted to show you what my soaps look like that I made yesterday. I did a video, and I wanted to show you what they look like today when I take them out of the mold. Pop one of these out of here. Look at this. Look how gorgeous. That was just from putting the color. I just dropped it in the bucket, and it does that as you pour it. I will show you some more because they are just so pretty. Let me get one from a different one. These were from different times of when I was pouring it. Isn't that gorgeous? It is a simple and easy way to make very, very pretty soap. And I love doing them this way. Isn't that gorgeous? These are going to sit for 4 weeks before they are dry enough. And see, this one didn't get too much of the swirly kind of thing, but I love that center. It's a very easy way to get a very pretty soap. Ooh. I mushed that a little bit when I pulled it out. Look at this. Gorgeous, gorgeous. The round molds are so stiff and it's so hard to get the soap out. So sometimes I mess up the edges a little. Look at that. Just beautiful. Let's do another one from over here. I can't remember which one I started pouring first. I think it was over on this side. Oh my gosh, look at this. How cool is that? Now, it's not like you have to have gorgeous soaps all the time, but you know what? It makes taking a shower or a bath just nicer. Oh gosh, I really messed that one up. I'm going to see if I can push that back on there. Yeah, I mess them up sometimes. It may be a couple hours early to take them out, but I got things to do and I will forget if I don't get them out now. Okay, I got that on there. It'll dry nice. Just kind of smooth it, but look at that. Pretty colors, pretty colors. Okay, just a short video. Just wanted to show you what these look like. You can see them. Look at that. And even as I got down to the end, they still were pretty. I'll pop that one out and show you. See, if I take my time and pull very slow, I can get them without messing them up. Look at that. Oops, sorry, there's a shadow. And that was towards the end when I didn't have much color left. And they still came out very pretty. So, oh, that one popped out nice. See? Very pretty. Still gorgeous. Even at the end. Well, I might as well pop these out while I'm talking to you. Wanted to have to do it anyway. Might as well leave the camera rolling. There, I got that one out pretty. Oh, I messed up a corner. But, oh, look at this. The squiggles. Squiggles on the side. So weird because it was all poured all at the same time. And some of them are more dry than others. And some of them are sticking. I don't know why it does that. Look at that. How cool. It's almost like I painted it on there. But I didn't. I did not paint them. Ooh, look See, a little piece stuck. Yeah, it was kind of early to take them out. Still pretty though. And like I said, these are all the same kind of molds. I did them all at the same time, and I don't know why some stick and some don't. Very strange. Very strange. I just am so impressed when I see them. When they come out, I'm like, wow. Oh, look at the top of that one. There's a shadow, sorry. Trying to move this stuff so there's no shadows, but just a few more. Just a couple more. See, and this one is just like, feels really sticky, and I don't know why. Swirly, swirly. This has got cocoa butter, shea butter, goat milk, all kinds of goodies in it. Avocado oil, a little bit of olive oil. It does make for a little softer soap with some those soft oils in there, but boy, does your skin love it. Look at that, how pretty. I just love the way it swirls. And that was all done just from pouring in the pot swirl, but I didn't really mix it. I don't mix them, I just pour. Gosh darn it. I can dab that back on there. Oh, pretty. Even the end is nice. That's it. I will try to make more videos. Like I said, I'm working here by myself, so it's hard, especially during the day when I get customers. Ankle that up, you can see me. Yeah, when I get customers, it's hard for me to film and wait on people and make stuff. So, doing the best I can. So, it's early morning right now, and trying to get a few things done before customers come in. Thanks for watching. I'll put a link to the other video that I had when I made these soaps. Subscribe, tell your friends. Have a good day. Bye.